my
Dad,
friend.
tell me how you feel right now.
I'm a little nervous.
You just
I'm going to lose a piece of face here.
You just had. Hello, Parrot. You're being recorded right now.
Wow.
This parrot just flew out of nowhere. Oh my God.
And you got one too, bud.
Oh my God. Hello. Hello, Parrot.
Yes, you're so sweet. I know.
Why did you guys come over here?
Well,
What?
they were.
He's nibbling on your ear, bro.
I know. Well, let's not do. No.
Don't stick your finger in his mouth.
Let's not eat that. I don't have anything to eat, partner.
Do you
we've
think
got
they're
sunflower
they're
seeds?
probably domesticated?
Oh, they have been. Yeah, most definitely. These are not wild birds. They escaped from something.
Watch your glasses. There go the glasses. This is unbelievable. Is it? What's mine doing?
He's just sitting there, looking out.
I can't believe this just happened.
Whoa! That is unbelievable. Oh,
They're coming back.
Oh no.
Let's get into the car.
No.
Oh my God.